If you want fresh homemade bread without the hassle, stay with me because I'll show you the top 5 best bread makers you can buy right now. These machines deliver performance, consistency, and real value whether you're a beginner or an experienced home baker. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. From the start, please watch the full video to know which bread maker is the best overall pick at the end of this review. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. KBS Premium. At number 5, we have the KBS Premium Convection Bread Maker, a versatile machine designed for all types of bread lovers. With a dual heater, 17-in-1 baking programs, and a touch panel, it can handle everything from sourdough to yogurt and jams. Pros: dual heater for even baking. 17-in-1 programs, including gluten-free and sourdough. Touch panel with 3 loaf sizes and 3 crust colors. Auto nut dispenser and ceramic pan for easy cleanup. If you want a feature-rich bread maker that handles a wide variety of recipes, the KBS Premium is a great choice. Number 4. Neretva 3.3 lb. Coming in at number 4, the Neretva 3.3 lb bread maker is perfect for families or anyone who loves larger loaves. It features a full touch panel, 15-in-1 baking programs, and an auto nut dispenser. Its stainless steel and ceramic pan ensures durability and even baking. Pros: large 3.3 lb capacity for family-sized loaves. 15-in-1 programs including French, rye, and pizza dough. Auto nut dispenser for added convenience. Durable stainless steel and non-stick ceramic pan. This bread maker is ideal if you want larger, versatile loaves at home. Number 3. Neretva 2.2 lb. At number 3, we have the Neretva 2.2 lb bread machine, a compact but powerful option for daily bread making. It includes a dual heater, auto nut dispenser, and 15-in-1 baking programs for gluten-free, sourdough, and yogurt recipes. Pros: dual heater for consistent baking. Auto nut dispenser for added flavor. Non-stick ceramic pan for easy cleaning. 15-in-1 programs for versatile baking. If you want a reliable, mid-sized bread maker for all your daily baking needs, this Neretva model is an excellent pick. Number 2. OSIPOTO 2 lb. At number 2, the OSIPOTO 2 lb bread maker is beginner-friendly yet powerful. With 17-in-1 automatic programs, a 15-hour timer, and low-noise operation, it makes homemade bread convenient and easy for anyone. Pros: 17-in-1 automatic baking programs. Beginner-friendly controls with easy cleaning. Low noise for a peaceful kitchen. 15-hour timer for delayed baking. This is perfect for anyone who wants a simple, versatile bread maker without compromising quality. Number 1. Neretva 20-in-1. And finally, taking the top spot, the Neretva 20-in-1 bread maker, our pick for the best bread maker of 2025. With 20 versatile programs, dual heaters, a non-stick ceramic pan, and a quiet operation, this bread maker delivers bakery-quality results every time. It also includes a 15-hour timer and 1-hour keep warm function. Pros: 20 baking programs for maximum versatility. Dual heater for evenly baked loaves. Non-stick ceramic pan for easy cleanup. Low noise operation for a peaceful kitchen. Overall, the Neretva 20-in-1 bread maker combines versatility, convenience, and consistent results, making it the best bread maker of 2025. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. So there you have it, the top 5 best bread makers of 2025. Each of these machines makes fresh, homemade bread easy, but if you want the best overall performance, the Neretva 20-in-1 bread maker takes the crown. Which one would you choose for your kitchen? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next top 5 product review. Thanks for watching and happy baking.